How to transfer from Robinhood account to E-Trade. If you don't already have one, sign up for an E-Trade account online. Ensure that your Robinhood account is active and that all trades have settled. If you have any unsettled funds or trades, you will need to wait for them to settle before initiating a transfer. Double-check if any fractional shares are held in Robinhood. Fractional shares cannot be transferred, so you may need to sell them first. After logging in, navigate to the account transfer page. Select Transfer from another brokerage option. Enter the required information, such as your Robinhood account number. Robinhood charges a $100 fee for ACATS transfers. This fee will be deducted from your Robinhood account once the transfer is complete. E-Trade typically doesn't charge for incoming transfers. Once the transfer is complete, check your E-Trade account to ensure all your assets were moved properly. Thanks for watching.